In this video, I'll be demoing a WPF application that consumes a middle tier that was written with the peasy framework. Let's go over to the application. This is orders.com. Orders.com is a order entry / inventory item management system. What I'd like to do is basically just walk through a typical workflow to place an order. Now we have customers and products in existing categories currently set up. But for the sake of the demo, let's go ahead and add a new customer, a new product, and category item so that we can place an order using the new product. Go ahead and save that. Let's add a new category. And let's add books. Associate that with the books category and save it. Now that we created the C# Pro book, what it did on our behalf was create an inventory item associated with that. So let's go ahead and update inventory. We'll set that to 50. Now that we have the C# Pro book and have updated the inventory, let's go place an order with that inventory item. Now saving it actually puts it in a pending status. And basically what that means is that the order is not quite ready to be shipped. Once the order is ready to be shipped, you can ship it by clicking this button here and closing it. Now what this means is that it is ready to be shipped, and that the warehouse may use this application and come to the orders entry screen and look for all orders that have a submitted status, which basically means that any order items associated with that order are ready to be shipped. So let's go ship this item. What that does is it sets the order item to a ship state as well as the parent order. Let's go ahead and add another order. Add a few products. David Gilmour is a big Led Zeppelin fan, so let's have him order a few Led Zeppelin albums for himself and some friends. We'll save, we'll submit, and we'll pretend shipping has seen this order and goes to satisfy the order by shipping the items. So I've shipped all the items, but one thing to point out is that this particular item, Led Zeppelin 2, has an in-stock quantity of 3. However, 4 were requested. So basically what that does is it puts this particular item in a back-ordered status. If we go over to the order screen, you'll notice that this order is in a back-ordered state. So that means that the shipping department needs to be on the lookout for any orders with a submitted or back-ordered status, so that they can fulfill the order at a later time. The last thing I want to point out in this application is that there is concurrency handling around inventory management. So let's go ahead and edit this order here. And we'll select C# Pro again. Notice that there's an in-stock quantity of 48. And we'll go ahead and save this. Now we haven't shipped it yet, so it hasn't affected the in-stock quantity. Let's further suppose that somebody is using the application to update inventory. You'll notice that 48 is displayed for C# Pro. Let's go back to this screen and we'll actually ship the item, which reduces the in-stock inventory to 46. However, the current user of the inventory screen is looking at stale data, so they still see 48. Let's further suppose that they just received a shipment for C# Pro books, and they received 10 books. So if they go to update the inventory and save it, it's actually going to give them an inventory item was changed by another user and cannot be changed concurrency error. So this is a good thing. The peasy framework actually makes it very easy to add concurrency handling to your application. this topic will be covered in a later video. So to address this issue, you simply refresh the screen, and now you can update it to 56 because there were 10 items received. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in.